How to insert your itinerary in Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can insert your itinerary in Google Maps. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type google.com/maps. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface of Google Maps website. Here at the left top, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to access more menu. And from the menu that appears, click on the saved option right here. Once you click on this option, here you will find map section. Click on this map and at the very bottom you will find create map. Tap on this create map button, then again click on this create button right here. Here search for the specific place you want to mark. Once you reach to this page, here click on this share icon that says draw a line. Click on this and select the first option. Then from here draw a line, mark the area. Once you have marked the place, it will ask you to name your map and add a description if needed. Then click on this save button at the right. You can also add additional stops by clicking on this location icon that says add marker at the top. Choose any place and give it a name. Then click on this save button right here. Added all your stops. So in this way you can insert your itinerary in Google Maps. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.